Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Victoria Baris. Today I will make a cake which I will bake the banana cake, but I will use the Saba. So this is my ingredients. I add in here plain flour, 4 cups, 1 cup of sugar, 3 eggs, half cup of a veg oil, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, half teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I have a leftover condensed and I will use this one, and 1 cup of iba. I will use the blender. So we will do first the banana to put on the blender with sugar. So I put the banana, the sugar, and the oil in the blender. I mix the condensed and the evap milk, the 1 cup milk. Then turn on again. Cinnamon, the baking powder, and the salt. I will mix the dry and the wet. The wet ingredients. So here we go. So it's ready to put on the baking tray. So it will be baked for about 30 to 35 minutes in 160 Celsius. And I preheat already the oven. So you need to top it so it will be nothing bubbles on it. So that is, guys, and it was already on the oven. We will just wait and we will have a snack or snack. So after 35 minutes, banana cake is done. It's baked already. So I will just cool it down to try it. I put glaze on it, like sugar, icing sugar.